we going, Emmy?
Denali cabin!
Yay! What do you got there? And when did you make this piece of art?
God knows. Last year.
Last year.
You shut you down?
Where are we going?
Hiking.
Hiking. Cool. Bears, 300 yards. Moose and others, 25 yards. I would stay farther away than that. That's what you call bear scat. Right?
Where is he?
I don't know. He's around. I mean, I keep stopping and looking in the binoculars, and every time we stop, a tour bus or a car stops and thinks we saw something.
Disappear behind the tree. Oh, there they go.
What do you see?
Caribous.
Caribous?
There they go.
Really getting the use of the easy equipment. Pretty nice setup.
Oh, they just disappeared behind the tree. Yeah. Oh, there they go. You want to look again?
Sure.
It looks like he's so close with these on.
Oh, he is.
There's a big guy over here. That one?
Calling for a mate. Ptarmigan turn white in the winter and back to brown in the summer. He's a half-half right now. Stupid chicken won't get out of the road.
Forest chicken.
There's the U-shaped valley and the spruce tree with a split in the trunk. Wave to the camera again, Emmy. Hi. There's Emmy 100 years ago. Crazy to think. Not a care in the world.
Kitties.
Leave it to Emmy to find the only bar in the entire Denali National Park. Woo! All right, Emmy, what we got going on?
Right now, trying to get some garlic peeled so I can chop it up. Some onions, sausage for the Dutch oven.
We got a Dutch oven recipe made up.
Yep.
All right. Cool. Cowboy cooking with Emy and Thomas. Yeah, that'll probably work. Just enough to lube it around in there. We don't really know what we're doing, but we're figuring it out. Ground sausage. Well, it's getting there. It's gonna be a bit though. Onion and garlic, right, honey?
Yeah. So then we add diced tomatoes, can of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper.
Cool.
For 10 minutes we let that simmer.
All right.
I'll check again now.
Right now we're giving 2 or 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Says the recipe
Yeah.
on our onions and garlic and sausage.
Yep, 10 minutes we have to let it simmer with the tomatoes.
Oh, okay. I don't know, like, maybe somebody in the comments can tell us, like, if you're supposed to put coals on top of your lid too, or at what point you think that's the right
I
move.
think we'll want coals on top of the lid when we put the ricotta and cheese in, because this is to
Because then it's got to broil it.
Yeah.
Okay. So when it broils, we'll shovel that.
Yeah.
I might lift that thing up and put some fresh ones underneath, keep it hot. But I don't know if you're supposed to do that. It feels plenty hot in there right now. We'll see.
We'll see.
Oh boy. Oh yeah, now we're cooking with peanut oil. Okay. What do we got now?
So we're gonna add the diced tomatoes and the tomato sauce and the seasonings and a little bit of tomato paste.
Are you ready? I'm gonna need an extra hand with this plate. Ooh, just a little bit.
And then 2 tablespoons of tomato paste.
You're just gonna eyeball it. Okay, now when you give her a stir too, right?
Yep. And then we want that to simmer.
Simmer. Roger.
And we need to add salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Well, in this one though, we just want it to simmer for 10 minutes.
Oh, it looks like it's simmering.
Yeah.
Simmer for 10?
Yep.
Okay. I'd say we're simmering for 10. So we're in the middle of our 10-minute simmer. Show you guys what we got going on. Oh yeah, that's looking simmery to me. Simmering all the way around. That's got to be right. All right. Water.
Does that feel like enough to boil it?
I think so.
Can always add more.
Do you think it's enough, or should we do some more?
I think it's okay. We can always add more if we need to.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be a while for that pasta still. It's getting dainty, but not quite dainty enough.
Dante.
Dante? Dainty?
Al
Same
dente.
thing.
Al dente. Dente. Jesus.
Sorry. We're out here trying to accomplish Dutch oven cooking over a fire for the first time. It's going pretty well.
Think so.
It takes longer than what you think it's gonna take. Mm. Thanks for watching.
Okay, now we're gonna add the mozzarella. Ready?
Yep, I'm ready. You just put it on top or you mix it in?
Mix it in. It's the ricotta that goes on top. And the Parmesan. Ready?
Yep. All right. Okay, Emmy, what did we do?
Okay, so we added mozzarella and Parmesan, and then we spread ricotta on top. And now we're gonna try to let it broil for 5-10 minutes.
All right. But We did pull a couple noodles out when we just stirred it the last time and added the ricotta cheese, right?
Perfectly al dente.
Al dente. Whatever that means. Emmy knows I don't. Totally illiterate to this Italian nonsense. Wine. A couple plates. Pretty lady.
Where?
Shut up.
Put it on the ground.
Oh, yeah.
Sexy.
All right. Them noodles are sexy. All right, this is looking good. You know, when I said I didn't think there was enough cheese, and
There might be enough cheese.
I think the recipe wasn't lying. I'm a fat kid, so I'm gonna do a big plate. That and tongs might not be the recommended.
Yeah. Could do better.
Utensil.
Could do better utensil-wise, for sure.
All right. There's a whole big fat plate for me. Oh, honey, this looks so good.
You made me a fat plate, too.
Okay.
Looks so good.
Cheers. Cheers.
Pork cheers.
Fork cheers?
Mm-hmm.
I got a big old thing.
Bring.
Why are you laughing?
It's so good.
That is fucking delicious. Ooh,
Yeah.
the sausage in the bottom, so good.
Mm-hmm.
Me being a protein guy, I'm like, oh, the meats.
The meat.
Oh my god. We didn't burn it.
Mm-hmm.
That's so good.
That is so good. Holy crap.
Okay, give me a scale, 1 out of 10. How is it?
I would give this a 9.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Is it not just because we're hungry?
That doesn't help. We are really hungry. But it's really good.
How you feeling, Emmy?
Still so full. Beautiful view. Good
I know.
company. Good wine.
Your dad built a beautiful little cabin. So there's propane for the stove and the oven. And then heating oil for the oil drip stove. Other than that, there's one light. You have to bring your own battery. Plug it into the inverter. One futon that's not very comfortable, so Emmy bought an air mattress, and that's what we're sleeping on. What else can you say about this little cabin besides your nice artwork, your kid artwork over there in the corner?
My kid artwork. Which we got a lot of bird books, Alaska wildflower books,
Beautiful art.
toys, games, all the good stuff.
All the
Sleeping
stuff that doesn't require having your cell phone out.
Know where my phone is.
And then the most beautiful view and all the Alaska range out the window.